All right, on number 15, you have x squared divided by x to the 2/3. And if you divide variables with exponents, you subtract the exponents. So this is going to be x to the 2 minus 2/3. So I'm going to write this over here, 2 minus 2/3. You have to get a common denominator, which is going to be 3. And the second one doesn't change, but the first one does. If this denominator is 3, I multiplied 1 times 3, I have to multiply the top times 3. And so your exponent is going to be 6 minus 2 is 4, and you keep the same denominator. So this is x to the 4 over 3. Number 16, if you're multiplying the same variable, you're actually going to add the exponents. So that's going to be 3 plus 3/4. And so I'm going to come over here, and that's going to be 3 over 1 plus 3/4. Your common denominator is going to be 4. You did not change the second denominator, so you don't change the numerator. I multiplied 1 times 4, so I have to multiply 3 times 4. And so you keep the denominator. 12 plus 3 is 15. And so this is y to the 15 over 4. When you have an exponent to an exponent, you multiply those, and so this is 9. 5 times 1/5 is 1. 15's in the denominator. 5 times 1/5 is 1, and that's just a regular fraction that will reduce by 3, and you end up with 3 over 5. Number 18, again, we have exponents to exponents. This is going to be z 1/2 times negative 1/4 is going to be negative 1/8 times z. 3 over 2 times negative 1/4 is going to be negative 3 over 8. I don't like negative exponents, so I'm going to rewrite this as 1 over z to the 1/8 times z to the 3/8. When you're multiplying these fractions, you're just going to add them because that's the z's are the same, and you have 1/8 plus 3/8. So you're going to have 1 over 1/8 plus 3/8 is 4/8. So you have z to the 1/2. And that's it. All right, on number 9, I'm going to distribute the exponent first, so that's going to be m 2/3 times 6. I'm going to do the math over here. 2/3 times 6 over 1 is 12 over 3, which is 4, so that's m to the 4th. Okay, hold on. Okay, so then we're going to distribute the 1/3 times 6, which is 6 over 3. Hold on, Brandon, I'll be right with you. 6 divided by 3 is 2, so in the denominator you have m squared. You can divide that. That's m to the 4 minus 2 is 2, so your answer is m squared.